welcome to today on Princess Anu-TV. And if you're new to this channel, where have you been? Well, we've been on the episode talking about surviving flight school, and today is episode 3, and today we're going to be talking about finding peace in flight school. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Welcome back, guys, and we always talk about aviation, motivation and adventure, and we are currently in episode 3 of surviving flight school, and today I'm going to be telling you about finding peace here in flight school. Seriously, guys, whatsoever is going to give you peace of mind, you need it so much. And I want to quickly talk about something. I discovered that most of the accident investigations that I've been watching are tied to emotional problems. Like either this one is trying to commit suicide because he doesn't want to live again, or because he feels his problems are too much, he doesn't have a solution to it, or because he feels that, oh, this is the fastest way to get money for my family. And this is because these people lack peace of mind, seriously. And this is what you mainly find in the profession, because if you're a lonely person, which you're not supposed to be, and that's why in episode 1 I talked about having friends, good friends that are thinking the same way you're thinking, friends that are seeing your vision the same way you're seeing this vision. If somebody is not lonely, because part of what happens when people commit suicide, or when people want to commit suicide and they try to crash everybody in the aircraft, or they try to do crazy things, is because they don't have friends. Most of the time they are not talking to somebody, they are living in so much hurt, so much pain, they don't have enough peace of mind, and so they want to go overboard. They want to do more than what they are actually required to do. They want to do something and saying, let me just get over this from my head, I don't want to see all this. You get, guys? So what I'm trying to say is that don't fall into that emotional trap, please. Whatever will give you peace of mind. If you know talking to a particular friend has been causing you problems, or has been causing you what, you move. If you know going to a particular place doesn't give you peace of mind, like, okay, you went to the bar and you came back and maybe one girl is calling you, or you went out and something awkward, something weird, and these things don't give you peace of mind. Or if you're entangled in a particular habit that is not making you comfortable, is not giving you peace of mind, you will not be able to do this flying well. You will not be able to survive flight school. So anything whatsoever that it's giving you heart attacks, is giving you problems, guys, please drop it one side and concentrate. Like just look for whatever will give you peace. Like I said before in episode 2, we talked about doing what you love. So free your mind, do what you love, do what will make you happy, do what will give you extra joy, extra excitement. If it's for you to relax with family and friends, for you to call a friend, lifelines, calling a friend. So if it's for you to do all these things that will make you happy, please, guys, do it in order to survive. So I hope this edition is helping you. This episode is episode 3, and tomorrow we'll be discussing about episode 4. So stay tuned, guys, and keep following the episode of Surviving Flight School. Till we meet next time, even on the same channel. Bye, guys.